gonna do some seed stuff. I discovered a couple of plants from last year that may actually be worth saving. What was this? I got a little begonia, may actually still be a gonia. There's a begonia actually going on there, so I'll see if that wants to save itself. Some Thai basil. All right, so I got a couple of good pots for the cantaloupes. Oh, low suspender again, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna get a bunch of this in here. Yeah, the good stuff. Okay, a couple of cantaloupe seeds in here. Get this sucker going. Looks just like cantaloupe seeds in the store. So let's just put 3 or 4 in there and see who wins. Who wins the contest of the strongest seed? Only the strong survive. My mama used to love them cantaloupes, man, I tell you what. She loved cantaloupes. Stir it up a little bit with my special tool. Oops, getting sloppy here. Should have gotten a glass of wine to do this. Probably would have been a lot funnier. A zinnia seed fell on the floor there. Don't want it to think it's a cantaloupe. My God, the sign says I'm supposed to be a cantaloupe, but I feel like a zinnia. What's happened? And then we're going to take all these things out on the porch. Get them a little water so they'll have something to drink overnight. Oh. Baptize the seedlings. Okay, I'm going to plant these other 2 little guys too that I've discovered. Give them a shot at life on Earth again. After abusing them so terribly last year. I was a bad gardener last year, buddy. Shameful. One-handed gardeners. That's just an excuse. I could have done gardening with one hand, probably. Some level of gardening. Thought I'd never play the guitar again. Thought my life was over. Be a one-handed cripple. Of course, I've thought that 3 or 4 times during my life when I broke my hip. Oh, the first one, when I was about high school. Riding around in Danny Dougherty's pickup truck with Mark Rollins. It's going down this corn row. Middle of the night, just flying, man. 12 o'clock at night. Oh, it probably wasn't that late. I don't know. Danny, he missed this. He didn't know there was a ditch there. And the truck just went right in the ditch. And my face hit the dashboard for the first time I'd ever. Knocked a couple of teeth out. And yes, sirree. Knocked me into the middle of next week. And then we had to walk. To get out and walk for like a freaking maybe a mile to the next human. Just so we could get to the hospital and get my face looked at. I was screwed up. Oh, Danny never forgave himself for that, poor guy. He didn't realize I was going to turn out to be so damn handsome anyway. Wah, wah, wah. That's a joke. Okay, good. See if this guy's going to decide to come back to life. What happened to my basil, rathbone? Okay. Yeah, okay, let's just put a few more of these carpet things here. A few more nesters. Now a few more of these guys wouldn't hurt anybody. Yeah, might as well use them all up. Okay, those are good. Those are the climbing phoenix. Better label those so they'll know what they are. Hey dude, just want to let you know what you are when you come into this world. You're a climbing phoenix. Don't get your hopes up on being a rose or anything. That ain't gonna happen. So before I go to bed tonight, I went over to Lowe's, picked up a WAP light, which you see here, and then here's all my plants I brought in from outdoors after I gave them a little water. So they're all nice and toasty now. But things have changed since WAP lights were invented. So I got this thing, which is an LED grow light. So this has chains and stuff you can mount it with, 2 foot long, 19 bucks. So I hung it under here. It's kind of jury rigged, but it works. But these things don't have any heat, because it's LED, right? So he needed the heat source, so I got this little thing, which is it's a ceramic heat lamp. Just plug that into the WAP light, and you get 100 watts of heat, man. So this will keep it nice and toasty during the night. Hopefully these little guys will be sprouting up in a few days. Tomorrow we'll be putting these guys out in the garden so they can start their life as feed me. All right. So they're going to be nice and toasty all night.